Hey everybody, what's up? Merry Christmas! And today I decided to do something a little bit special for a diecast review. I'm going to be reviewing some of the cars I got for Christmas. I'm not going to be covering over all of them as probably you saw in the community post. I'm only going to cover some of them. And one of them I'm going to cover is Christopher Bell's 2024 Dewalt scheme right here. Overall, this is a very cool looking car, and this is my first new 2024 Toyota diecast in the brand new mold. So let's go take this thing out of the box, and then we'll put it around the turntable. I should realize I shouldn't have turned that turntable on before opening this car. Oh well. So this is my first 2024 Toyota diecast, so these are going to be my first impressions of it. Alright. Alright, overall, out of the box, and my first impression, Lionel did a pretty good, and overall with the first impressions, Lionel did a pretty good job with the molding up front. The front bumper looks accurate, and everything, the taillights. Overall, the car just looks absolutely phenomenal. Knowing how much I love the Bell DeWalt schemes, this car looks very, very nice. Also, fun fact about this car. This was a reuse scheme for the 2023 car. I don't have a diecast of it, but I'll pull up a picture at some point. But anyways, back to the diecast. Back to the review of the diecast. Here we have the front end with the number 20, the Joe Gibbs, and the Camry, the Toyota logo, and here's DeWalt on the hood, the windshield names, windshield banners, the name Bell on the back. On the sides, we got the 20, and then we got the other sponsors down here. I can't read all of them, but there's Ream over there, there's Mobile One, and then we got DeWalt on the side. We also got Yahoo on the side of the car. Interstate Battery is right up here. Christopher Bell's the name right here. I forgot on the roof, there's the number 20 and the Granted Tough for the DeWalt slogan. On the side, pretty much the same thing on the left, but it's mirrored. Basically meaning like here, like right here to here. But anyways, and the number is super shiny too. This is a color chrome, not a color chrome, a foil number diecast. Sorry about that, I'm a little tired today. Anyways, back to the car. We got the Ream logo, the Mobile One logo right here, the Yahoo, and on the rear bumper we got the DeWalt, the Mobile One logo, the number 20, the Toyota logo right here, and we got the Camry, and then we got the EXE badging right here. And then we got the new updated Toyota, and then we got the new Toyota Camry taillights. So comparing this, also during the review, I'm gonna compare the previous mold to the compare the previous mold to the new mold. I'm gonna be using this Christopher Bell's Bristol Dirt Wind car as our source because, well, gotta fit the car, gotta fit the driver in the sponsorship. But anyways. Overall, for front end wise, they look totally different. And plus, don't mind being at different paint schemes. I couldn't find the 2023 DeWalt one, so I just went for the Bristol Dirt. Anyways, overall, front end wise, looks a lot different. As you can see, if you put them like this thing's a little bit more indents to it for the front end, while the front is just like a little flat, has a little flat on the front. As you can see here, it's a little flat here, right here, and then we got some like pushed in sides right here, and then we got more pushed into the bumper going on for the TRD Camry, for the SXE, if I'm saying that right. Yeah, that's right, the SXE. We got we got some indents right here, and then the whole thing right here is just pushed in on the front, and then we got a little bit of a nudge right here sticking out, and then it just goes along the car. Overall, the sides of the car look pretty much the same. I mean, the back windshield right here overall looks the same. Here, let me put these two side by side. I'm sorry if it'll look weird upside down, but no, I'll just do it like this. Overall, they look pretty much the same. I could see a little bit of difference, for example, being like these end corners right here, but overall, it kind of looks pretty much the same. And the rear, not too much. not too much change overall. It's just the rear bumper indents. Like this one has a little hexagon going on the 2023 car, and on 2024 this one looks like a little trapezoid going on here. And then taillights are obviously a difference. Right here we got the two individual taillights here, and here we got the two individual taillights, but there's the black line on it. That's actually part of the real car, not the actual race car, but the actual 2024 the Toyota 25 Toyota Camry that's gonna be releasing next year. So I don't know why Toyota decided to race its 2025 Camry for the 2024 Cup Series, but that was their decision. Anyways, overall the cars look a lot different, but overall it looks pretty nice. It looks pretty nice. Get back to this car. No bouncy suspension issues, and I don't see any pages on these cars. So this is a very good quality car from Lionel. So I'm giving this car 10 out of 10. Perfect use of decals, no paint chips, no weird stuff going on the wheels, no loose base, no suspension. And this being my first 2024 Toyota diecast, well, with a new Camry, Lionel did an amazing job with this car. Kudos to you, Lionel. So that is my 2024 diecast review on the 2024 Christopher Bell Dewalt scheme from 2024. Anyways, have a good one. Merry Christmas. See you in the next one.